Welcome back to the National Stadium. Of course, it's the evening session on the opening day of the JAA's National Junior and Senior Athletics Championships. We'll be having the semi-final round, if you will, of the men's 100 meters to come up shortly. We had the running of the under 18 and the under 20 boys earlier. So it's now on to the senior men. And we'll be having 4 semi-final heats, if you will. And
a second round.
A second round,
yeah.
In fact.
Yeah, we had first round this morning. So this is basically the heats, in essence. So first round qualifying this morning for the non-automatic qualifiers. And then now, first round heats to advance to the semi-finals, then the final. This is a good lineup. Dane McPherson out there.
And Dwayne, just before you go further, just to give you your official introduction, it would be remiss of me, you see. I didn't say the outstanding Dwayne Exton has joined us, has returned here to the commentary booth after being in the early session. Of course, former national junior and senior representative in the 400-meter hurdles. Oblique Seville, the reigning world 100-meter champion, being introduced to the spectators here for this opening heat of the men's 100 meters. He'll be running from lane 5.
Yeah, Jeremy, you are too kind. Thank you so much. And again, great quality on show in the first round of this 100 meters. How many countries can say they have the reigning world champion running in the first round of the men's 100 meters?
Yeah. Raheem Pinnock is there in lane 6. Jason Lewis in 7. And Stephen Clunis, representing the University of Missouri. Of course, Jason Lewis from the Swept Track Club. Rashid Foster, back-to-back collegiate champion here in Jamaica, presenting elite performance. He'll be running from 4. O'Dane McPherson in 3. Michael Campbell 2. Mazina Barrett in lane 1.
Yeah, is this the year for O'Dane McPherson to, make that big jump? He's been there and thereabouts so far the last couple of seasons.
Usually gets up quickly. O'Dane McPherson in 3, and he does so. Seville also right there, as well as Rashid Foster. Seville now takes charge and just canters home the world champion. 10:11, the flash time for Seville. Was there any doubt that he would have easily taken this opening heat? The reigning world champion, as we look back at the replay.
Yeah, not the best start from McPherson. Matter of fact, finished well down the field. And here, Oblique Seville in fine fettle, nice, easy strides. Gets away from the field at 80 meters, looking well in control. Nice running from him. The world champion shows his class in a good field. Rashid Foster has come on a long way for the last couple of years, and good to see him getting through. But all eyes on Oblique Seville. 10.11, the flash time.
Yeah. Officially 10:09. For Oblique Seville. Foster 10:30. Michael Campbell 10:39. Jason Lewis 10:43. Clunis 10:57. McPherson down the track in lane, finishing 6th in 10.60, and Mazina Barrett 10.64 in 7th place.
Yeah, looked a shadow of himself, McPherson. Didn't get that customary good start he usually gets.